Hey guys, what's up? So I'm so excited for today's video. I have a hair in my mouth. I'm so excited for today's video because today's video we are going to be testing out Colourpop's newest collection with, can you see it? Yes, with Powerpuff Girls. Oh my gosh. Let's just dive right into it. This collection comes with a lot of stuff, a lot of extra stuff. Extra, like, not makeup related. So the first thing that I'm going to show is the hair clips. Oh my gosh, I think these are super cute, and especially because one, it has the Powerpuff Girls, right? But it also says Colourpop. I'm going to put on, I think it would be too basic if I put Blossom. I mean, I love all of them, right? But everyone loves Blossom. Like, that's the main character, right? Am I tripping? Should I do green? Cute. These are big chunky clips. So noisy right now. I don't want to rip the packaging because I loved Powerpuff Girls growing up. So I kind of want to, like, not destroy any of the stuff, and, like, I don't know, I'm weird. Oh, this is called Drama Bomb Bubble Bath Bar. The other thing that it also comes with is a lip mask, which is called the Ultra Superpowers Lip Mask Duo. The blue one is called Sugar and Spice, and I believe this is Everything Nice, the pink one. I wonder if it gives like a tint to it. So pretty, and it smells so yummy. Here, I'm gonna put this on my lips. I know it's a lip mask. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. It gives a little bit of that pink tint, if you guys can see. The next thing that they also released is another lip product, and this is their roller gloss kit. How cute. It comes with this. And then obviously it's just named by their names. The Blossom one is watermelon flavor. Buttercup is green apple. Yum, my favorite. And Bubbles is blue raspberry. I will save these to try them out for the makeup. Now for cheeks. I'm surprised that they didn't release a highlighter because I feel like they always release highlighters or like everything for the face. But this time around they only released 2 blushes for the face. Well, 2 face products. This is Fighting Crime. I don't know if I'm going to use this one. Should I do one on one side and then one on the other side? And then this one is called Saving the World. Now, the last products I know that you guys have been waiting for are the eye products. Now, first, we are going to go with their color sticks products. So they released 3 color sticks. This is a blue one, and this is called Princess Morbucks. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember her. Why don't I remember her? Then the green one, oh, we know this one. This is Mojo Jojo. And then the red one is called Him. Or it's probably like a pinky, corally. And then this is the last one. Final product that you guys have been waiting for is the Powerpuff Girls palette. I have to say, I love that they did this, and it's like so pretty. Okay, the pan shades are actually bigger than what I thought, but this is the actual palette. I want to show you the mirror, but I don't want to show you my mess. So, like, do I just do this? Like that? Super cute, right? It has like another little thing on top, which I don't know what that is. That's gonna kill me probably. So I kind of want to play with everything, like a little bit of everything. So should I do pink, green, and blue on the bottom? I'll be taking this one, and that's the Fashionistas. Can take it on this side. think I'm gonna take the Colourpop color stick in the corresponding shade. So this is I think this is Him. And I think I'm just gonna go on it. I'm just gonna take this one, and this is called Frenemy. Now I'm gonna take this shade on the other eye. And again, that's just the shade Silico. So now I'm gonna take the Mojo Jojo color stick, and I'm just gonna put it in the That's pretty. That's gorgeous. So right on top of that, I'm going to take this one, and that is the Chemical X one. Gonna add a little bit more of the matte shade, which is called Silico. I feel like it's kind of blending away to nothing. I don't know if you guys can tell, I have like a little bit of patchiness to it. I think I'm gonna take the other color stick, and this is in the Princess Morbucks, and I think I'm just gonna smudge it on my lower lash line and then add the blue on top. Take the blue shade, and it's called Rowdy Rough Boys underneath. So I think I'm gonna take this shimmery shade. It's called Townsville, and I think I'm gonna take that on my inner corner. I guess not, it doesn't work. So then I'm gonna take the next one, and it's called Professor Utonium. For the blush, I think I'm just gonna be using this one, which is called Saving the World. I know it's the more pinky peachy basic one. Listen, if you haven't picked up a Colourpop blush, what are you doing? Colourpop blushes are honestly my favorite. I mean, you guys can tell I always use the same blush. Last and not least are the Colourpop The Day Is Saved Roller Gloss Kit. And I am going to take Miss Buttercup because she has green apple. I think these are just clear glosses. That's it for this review, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Did you pick up anything from the Powerpuff Girls collections? Did you not? Did you pick up an eyeliner, a blush, the palette? Honestly, out of all the products, if you want to get one thing, the palette. You just have to get the palette. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe, because I've been very consistent with my uploads. It's been hard because, you know, there's only so much makeup you can do. But I'm trying. That's it for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.